So we're going to start off with our primer. I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I really like this primer in the summer because it's really moisturizing and calming. Now for the brows, we are going to use the Sephora Waterproof Pencil. This has been sold out at Sephora for like ever, so clearly in the summertime, it is a banger. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I'm about to carve my eyebrows or clean up my eyebrows using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer and NC50. I have dark eyelids. I am putting my LA Girl Concealer in Toast all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to put my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer in Caffeine. I'm going to take Makeup Geek Cocoa Bear. Y'all know that's my favorite. I'm going to put that on a fluffy brush and put that all over my crease. It gives me the most sun-kissed, like, look. It's just so pretty. Next, I take like a goldish shade. I have a lot of golds in here, but I'm going to take this shade right here. So the color is Feather River Body Bronze to Perfection, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. So if you see my video where I copied a Jackie Anna tutorial, then you know there's a trick that she does that I was kind of afraid to do, but it actually is really cool. So you grab your translucent powder. In this case, I have my La Mercier in medium dark. And you take a dry sponge and you dip it in that bad boy. And you put it all over the areas you tend to get oily or like you sweat. If you're a dry girl like me, this could sound really scary, but this really allows my makeup to stay on longer throughout the day, especially on hot days. And as you could see, it's giving me a little bit of coverage, so you end up, I look ashy, but you end up using less foundation in the long run. Next is for foundation. So I've been using my NYX Total Control foundation in the color Cocoa. This foundation does not budge. It's not a waterproof foundation, but it just doesn't move. I don't know, maybe it's because the steps that I'm actually taking and ensuring that it doesn't move. But this has been a really good foundation in the summer. Don't sleep on it. And next is your concealer. Tarte Shape Tape. Don't judge me. I don't want to hear it. It's the only concealer that works. You remember when I used to go do a triangle and shade it in and do all that? All that's unnecessary. Too much concealer. You're just going to lightly and stop about the middle of your eye. And that's literally all the concealer that you need. And you know, I cover my hyperpigmentation right here. You're still going to form the triangle shape. But again, you don't need that much concealer. And you're going to put it on the bridge of your nose. Not the bridge, the side of your nose. For a nice little light contour. That little bit of concealer did the trick. You don't need all that much concealer. Grab your powder again and set that concealer. Ain't nothing different. Now you don't have to put on eyeliner. I always say eyeliner is optional. On an everyday basis, I stop here. As you know, if you know me in real life, I don't wear lashes every day. But I have found some very cute everyday lashes. The Salon Perfect Be Natural Multi-Pack S2110. I got this from Walmart. My lights are super bright in here, sorry. Alright, so I have the lashes on. This one's giving me an issue because my eyes are watering. But, you know, let's just pretend I have one eye. But yeah, look at them. They're super natural. Hopefully this doesn't look jacked up. Don't judge me on this one. Look, I like to show y'all that I'm not perfect. All these other YouTubers like to come on here and be like, makeup's done. But nah, I'm going to show you that it's a struggle. Almost done. So we're going to bronze. I've been loving my Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette, which looks like this. This is my bronzer, blush. Last and final step is to set your foundation. The RCMA Original Powder. And I'm just going to put a little bit of powder on a napkin. You don't need much at all. Oh my gosh. Take my e.l.f. powder brush, because I like that it's a flat one, and dip into it. Tap off the excess. And I'm just going to set where the foundation was. Don't forget under your chin, because in the summertime you wear white and we don't need those problems. So now we're gonna take off that powder look because we put on MAC powder like. So I'm gonna use the rose water and glycerin spray because y'all know Mario Badescu is canceled. If you don't know why, go ahead and check that out. Also in the description bar. I like this one because you could get this on your neck. You could even get it on your hair and it's not a problem. But now I'm going to be using a DIY setting spray. I have not been using commercial setting spray like the Urban Decay one, Scandinavia, or anything because I felt those set my face fine. But the chemicals in it is whatever. So I've created my own spray. And this spray has my face staying in this spray bottle. It's almost done because I actually use it. Is aloe vera gel, witch hazel, and water. That's it. Let's go ahead and put this bottle on. I'm showing you the bottle because people on YouTube be fake and they be like, oh, I'm using this. They use something else. I'm using this. Can you see? I'm not a fraud on YouTube. All right. Now I make sure I get under my neck and everywhere. Now this is the final look. It is 11:30 a.m. It is going to be 9 degrees today, if you can see that. I'm trying to hide where I live. Okay, so it is 8:04. Can you see that? Because I'm using my phone right now. It's 8:04 p.m. So it's been a couple hours. And this is what my makeup looks like. And the marks right here is because I wear glasses. They're pretty good today. I am still a little shiny, but it was 101 degrees today. Edges all reverting back. It's time to smash this wig off. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.